present my model under ATL Marathon. My group member is Vinay Kadam and our project comes under sub-theme number 4, Mobility. Our project is named as Wonder Car. Components which are used in my car are Bluetooth module, Wi-Fi module, I/O expansion board, Arduino board, IR receiver, IR emitter, sound sensor, battery, camera sensor, ultrasonic sensor, line following sensor, battery, some jumper cables, data cables, and some hardware. Problem statement. In India, people use Dolby in festival seasons. As per our Indian government, there are some particular places like school, hospital, Vridhashram where the Dolby sound should be decreased, but people do not follow it. Due to that, people get disturbed and some health hazards also causes. Solution to it: we are proposing an idea in which whenever the sound sensor will be detecting the high volume, the infrared sensor would be it will be sending the infrared rays, and the receiver would be catching the infrared rays, and the Bluetooth module would be reducing the volume of the Dolby. For now, consider this phone as a Dolby, and we will be using a line following sensor to track that if the Dolby system is going on given path only, and through the camera module the police can check surrounding of the Dolby. Now we will click on start button. We will connect this. We have connected our devices. So as you can see that when the car is near to the sensor, it is releasing the sound, and when it is far from the school and sensor, it is increasing the sound. For now, I have attached the sensor to school only. In future, I will be implementing this idea to Vridhashram Hospital so that it would be working near Vridhashram Hospital. Modification in future. In future, we will be building an AI-based app in which police can track the vehicle, and through which they can give a perfect route for vehicle, through which the road blockage and jams would be reduced, and we will be attaching a GPS sensor to it so that the Google Maps will be having update about it, and it will be knowing about road jams and blockage, and the owner of the DJ would be getting additional revenue. Thank you.